Ever wondered why cows seem so attached to each other or why penguins are so particular about pebbles? Well, you're about to find out. In our journey today, we are going to explore 10 fascinating and somewhat random facts about the animal kingdom. From the multi-hearted octopus to the tongue-tasting butterflies, we're about to take a deep dive into the world of animals that is sure to tickle your curiosity. Ready to dive into the world of animal wonders? Stay with us. Did you know that cows can have best friends? Yes, you heard it right. Cows, these gentle giants of the pasture, are much more socially complex than we give them credit for. They are indeed social animals, and they form strong bonds with each other. Just like us, cows often prefer the company of certain individuals over others. They'll spend their time grazing, resting, and ruminating side by side with their chosen companions. When separated from their best friend, cows can show signs of stress, indicating the depth of these bonds. These relationships among cows are not just casual friendships. They are more akin to what we humans would call best friends. This close bond, this intimate friendship, offers them comfort, reduces stress, and contributes to their overall well-being. So the next time you see a herd of cows, remember this. They're not just a random group of animals. They are a community of individuals, each with their own preferred companions. So never underestimate the social life of a cow. Octopuses, the enigmatic creatures of the deep, have not one, not two, but 3 hearts. These fascinating beings are a marvel of nature's engineering. Now you might be wondering why an octopus needs 3 hearts. Well, it's all about efficiency in delivering oxygen to their bodies. 2 of these hearts, known as branchial hearts, are solely dedicated to pumping blood to the octopus's gills, where oxygen is extracted from the water. These hearts work overtime when the octopus is swimming, ensuring that the gills receive a sufficient supply of blood. Meanwhile, the 3rd heart, the systemic heart, takes the oxygen-rich blood from the gills and pumps it to the rest of the body. Interestingly, this heart actually stops beating when the octopus swims, explaining why these creatures prefer to crawl rather than swim. So, there you have it. Octopuses, winning the hearts game, literally. In the world of penguins, love is all about the perfect pebble. Now it may seem peculiar to us humans, but for these tuxedo-clad birds, a pebble is a symbol of affection, a token of love, and a proposal of companionship. Imagine this. A male penguin, on a mission, scanning the icy landscapes and braving the chill, all in search of that one perfect pebble. It's not just any pebble, mind you, but the most smooth, round, and appealing one he can find. Once he's found the perfect pebble, he waddles over to his chosen mate and presents it to her. If she accepts the pebble, it's like she's saying, "I do." They then use this cherished pebble in building their nest, a cozy home where they'll nurture their future chicks together. Quite a romantic gesture, don't you think? And to think, all this love story unravels over a simple pebble. Who knew pebbles could mean so much? Cheetahs and kangaroos, 2 animals with unique quirks. Let's delve into the world of cheetahs first. These speed demons of the animal kingdom are known for their agility and acceleration, but there's one thing they can't do: roar. That's right, unlike their big cat cousins, the lions and tigers, cheetahs can't roar. Instead, they communicate through a variety of vocalizations. They purr, just like your domestic tabby, when they're content. They hiss and growl when threatened. They even have a unique, bird-like chirp they use when calling out to their cubs or their potential mates. So, the next time you see a cheetah, don't expect a mighty roar. Instead, you might be treated to a symphony of cheetah sounds. Now let's hop over to the world of kangaroos. These Aussie natives are known for their powerful hind legs that help them hop at high speeds. But there's one direction in which these marsupials can't move: backward. Yes, the anatomy of a kangaroo, with its muscular legs and long sturdy tail that aids in balance, makes it nearly impossible for them to walk backward. Their hind legs move together in unison, which is great for hopping forward, but not so much for going in reverse. Their large tail also acts as a sort of 3rd leg, providing support when they're standing upright but making backward locomotion quite the challenge. So, there you have it. Cheetahs can't roar and kangaroos can't walk backward. Mother Nature, in her infinite wisdom, has bestowed upon these creatures unique characteristics that set them apart in the animal kingdom. Each of these quirks, whether it's a cheetah's purr or a kangaroo's inability to walk backward, plays a crucial role in their survival. Nature sure has a sense of humor, doesn't it? Get ready for some tongue and feet facts about butterflies and giraffes. Did you know that when a butterfly lands on a plant, it's not just taking a break, it's actually tasting the plant with its feet? Yes, you heard that right. Butterflies have special sensors on their feet that allow them to taste. This function is incredibly important for their survival. When a female butterfly lands on a plant, she uses her feet to taste the leaves and determine if they're suitable for laying her eggs. This is one of the ways nature ensures that the caterpillars have a food source ready when they hatch. So, a butterfly's stroll is not as leisurely as it seems. It's a vital part of their life cycle. Now let's turn from the delicate feet of butterflies to the long tongues of giraffes. Have you ever noticed the dark color of a giraffe's tongue? It's usually a deep blue or purple. This isn't a fashion statement, but a biological necessity. Giraffes have tongues that can be up to 18 inches long, and they spend a good part of their day with their tongues out, reaching for leaves in tall trees. This prolonged exposure to the sun could lead to serious sunburn, so nature has given giraffes a protective adaptation. The dark pigment in their tongues helps prevent sunburn, allowing giraffes to munch on leaves all day without worrying about getting their tongues scorched. Isn't it fascinating how nature has equipped every creature, from the smallest butterfly to the tallest giraffe, with unique features and adaptations to help them survive and thrive in their environments? These are just two examples of the countless marvels in the animal kingdom. Next time you see a butterfly land or a giraffe eat, you'll know there's more than meets the eye. Now let's talk about honey and sloths, two unlikely companions in our list of facts. They're both quite unique in their own ways, and today we're going to delve into what makes each of them so special. First up, honey. This sweet golden nectar has an incredible attribute. It never spoils. Can you believe that? Honey contains natural preservatives that keep it from going bad. In fact, archaeologists have discovered pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. How's that for a shelf life? Now let's move on to our slow-moving friends, the sloths. These creatures are known for their leisurely pace, but did you know that sloths have a very slow metabolism? So slow, in fact, that they only need to poop once a week. It's quite the event when they finally do. They actually descend from their treetop homes to do their business, a risky move considering how vulnerable they are on the ground. But hey, when nature calls, it calls. So there you have it, folks, from honey that lasts forever to weekly bathroom breaks in the life of a sloth. Isn't it amazing how diverse our world is? Nature is full of fascinating, if not slightly bizarre, wonders. To end our journey of discovery, let's look at one of the most intelligent creatures on Earth: elephants. These majestic beasts are known for their memory, but did you know they also possess a sense of self-awareness? Yes, indeed. Elephants can recognize themselves in mirrors. This trait is a hallmark of advanced cognitive abilities and is shared by only a few other species on our planet. They don't just see a reflection, they understand that the elephant staring back is their own self. This remarkable ability to identify their own image highlights the complexity of their thought processes and emotions. It's a testament to their intelligence, their social structure, and their deep emotional capacity. Just imagine an elephant looking into a mirror, seeing its own reflection and understanding that it's looking at itself. Fascinating, isn't it? So the next time you look in a mirror, remember, you're not the only one who knows what they're looking at. And there you have it, 10 intriguing facts about the animal kingdom. We've journeyed through the companionship of cows to the triple-hearted octopuses. We've observed the romantic rituals of penguins and the silent strides of cheetahs. We've hopped with kangaroos, tasted with butterflies, and marveled at the purple tongues of giraffes. We've savored ancient honey and waited patiently with sloths. And we've reflected with elephants, appreciating their self-awareness. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. There's always more to learn about our amazing planet and its inhabitants.